Good morning, adventurers. Today we are visiting Piers Gorge in Michigan. It is a beautiful day. It's about 55 degrees. Nice cool morning. And it's about 6:30 in the morning. Getting a nice early start. So we are off here on Piers Gorge. This is a fairly short trail. It's about 1.5 miles. It's 1.6 miles down, and then we'll have to come back. So just over 3 miles we're gonna do today. And then there's actually a couple other cool little spots right around the area here. I think I'm gonna stop at and add to the end of this video, so don't go away too quick. We are walking down here in the first pier. There's a little sign here, first pier. And this trail goes up and down along the gorge of the Menominee River. And here we are. Check this out. Alright, so we're heading further up the gorge here, into the gorge. And the rapids are just getting more and more intense. It looks like it's getting really intense up there. This is pretty awesome. I wasn't expecting this much energy from this river. This is pretty awesome. Alrighty, well, we'll check out the fourth pier. I don't know what happened to 2 or 3, but we'll check out this one anyway. Wow, this is a gorgeous spot. So this channel here, these 3 channels, these 2 islands here, and these rapids are called Sand Portage Falls. This is pretty much the end of the trail here. A beautiful place. It's a great spot for exploring. The main trail is fairly wide. It's like a double track trail. It's pretty wide and flat. There are some roots and rocks, but it's easy to see where the main trail is. But then off of that, there are just paths going all over the place. Look, it looks like there's one here. Looks like there's a trail here. There's another trail going this way. And then I just came out of this one. And it's like, yeah, there's trails going everywhere. So it's like, this is a great spot to just come and explore. There's rock outcroppings all over the place to climb on, and a fun place. You got the river right there. It just has tons of energy, just bubbling away. This is awesome, awesome place. And it's a pine forest, which probably adds to it, because I just love pine forest. The smell, the squishiness of the pine needles under your feet. Love it out here. Well, I think I'm gonna find a spot to sit and take a short break. Yeah, this spot right here is the best spot. I forgot to bring a snack or anything for my break today, so just taking a little rest. Alrighty folks, I sat right here in this rock for 15-20 minutes. Just took in the energy. We'll start heading back. A couple things to see back on the way. This is a little spur trail I skipped on the way in. So I just want to check it out on the way out. Not much to see. Some rough waters. Piers Gorge state recreation area is basically like a state park. You need a recreation pass, is what it's called in Michigan. A recreation pass is basically like a park pass or season pass. It costs $11 a day, which is fairly cheap, or $40 for a yearly pass. I bought a yearly pass. You can see a deer. You're not going to be able to see it on the camera, but there's a deer on the other side in the clearing. There's a deer in the clearing on the other side over there. I doubt it'll come through on the camera, but awesome. Piers Gorge. Small correction to make. This is Menominee River State Recreational Area, but the Piers Gorge unit of the, correction made. Alright, adventurers. I am arriving back here at the parking lot. That was an awesome hike. This place is awesome for just exploring, climbing around on rocks. Soaking up the energy from the Menominee River. Oh. Yeah, this place had some pretty nice views. Some pretty epic rapids. I liked it. Enjoyed it. Don't go away though. Got a couple more local natural attractions to see. Oh, look at this guy. Big toad. Anyway, I'll see you at the next stop. Alrighty folks, we are here. This is a roadside park in Michigan, just outside of Iron Mountain. This is Fumi Creek, and here's Fumi Falls. Alright, it climbed up to the top. Another falls up here. Little deck up here above the falls on the top level, looking down. Alright, Fumi Creek and Fumi Falls. It's a pretty cool little place. Now we got a couple more stops to go. We'll meet you at our next stop. Alright, we have arrived at our next spot. There is a 250-foot hiking trail. And we're on our way. Let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Smiley Falls. Awesome, a pretty nice looking stream here. That's Smiley Falls right over there. Coming down. And it continues on for quite a ways. Beautiful. Alright, that was Smiley Falls. We got one more stop. One more stop. By the way, this is in Wisconsin again. So Piers Gorge is the border of Wisconsin and Michigan, the Upper Peninsula. So we were up in Michigan. Now I'm down in Wisconsin. This stop and the next stop are in Wisconsin. So let's head on to our last stop. Alrighty, we are here at our last stop. It says the trail is 220 feet. And it's a steep trail, it says. And man, it sounds really loud. Holy moly. Let's check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, Long Slide Falls. Alright, Long Slide Falls. This is pretty awesome. I just love when rivers and creeks go down these thin canyons, rocky canyons. I just love it. Awesome. Piers Gorge was pretty awesome too. Was way above my expectations. That was an awesome place. Very short hike. Pretty cool place. A lot of good views. Awesome. Thanks everyone for joining me here this week. And I'll see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.